I'm here at the International Bulk Wine and Spirit Show with one of our visitors, Jillian DeLeone. So Jillian, tell us a little bit about what made you decide to come today and just how your day has been so far.
Yeah, it's been great. I've got to taste a lot of wines from all over the world. I am a bulk wine sourcing. I have my own wine brand. I have two wine brands actually. I have one where I do everything from grape to bottle, and then another brand where I source bulk wines made by fabulous winemakers and bottle them under my own brand called Mentita. I do a white blend and a red blend. So it's really fun to see wines that are available from California. That's where I do all my main sourcing. But then maybe I have an option to do a champagne from France or something new. So it's been really good to see that I could get wines from all over the globe at a fairly decent price.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Have you seen anything today so far? I know it's just the beginning of the first day, but anything that's particularly caught your eye so far, or?
Well, there's so many good rosés out there. Rosé goes
so hot right now.
So hot. Rosé all day.
Yeah.
And our rosés sell fast here on the bulk market, so it's good to know that we can get really good quality from overseas as well.
Any trends that you've been seeing so far today that maybe were a little surprising that you've been seeing out on the floor, or?
No, nothing too surprising. No, everybody's been really friendly and wonderful to taste with, and they make it seem very easy for logistics in terms of shipping.